Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. I do hope that you stick around because I have a lot to tell you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said before, my name is Amanda. If you are new here, my name is Amanda Lamo. If you are old here, you're an OG, you know that my channel was named Curls by Mandy, but Curls by Mandy doesn't exist anymore. She's gone. She's out. Basically, I've decided to change my name and I wanted to just give you guys an update, just a quick update on my channel, where we're heading in the future, what the goal is, basically. Yeah, so I changed my name to Amanda Lamo, basically because I got married, blah, 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 blah. You guys were here for the engagement. I basically kind of fell off the face of the earth and I'm so sorry, you guys, that I haven't been back to give you an update, but if you follow me on Instagram, my name is Mac Daddy Mandy on Instagram. If you follow me there, you know that I've been active. Basically, I got married last year in August. My husband and I bought a house. And I now live in Connecticut, so I moved from the Bronx, New York to Manchester, Connecticut. And here I am in our home. I know my background may look a little crazy. You know, this is my dining table. This is my kitchen that's being worked on back there. But basically, you know, that's life. That's where I'm at right now. And in terms of my channel, I know that I was doing a lot of, you know, hair videos. And I kind of just wanted to switch over to more lifestyle, home decor, you know, where I'm at, what I'm doing. I'll still do hairstyles, but just not all the time. So if that's what you're tuning in for, I'm sorry. It's slow for that, but they'll be back from time to time. Just wanted to let you guys know the direction that I see my channel going in. As I said, right now, we are in our new home. We've been renovating, we've been DIYing. There's gonna be a lot of DIY videos, a lot of updating rooms, updating areas, a lot of decor. So if you're into that stuff, I hope you stick around for that. I'm not gonna be doing the whole, you know, I'm posting every Sunday, every Monday. Not right now. Right now, you're just gonna get what you get whenever I put it out. Hopefully it'll be every week. It just won't be like on a specific day. So make sure you definitely hit that notification bell so that you are up to date on whatever I'm doing. As I said, follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot of like things on there. You know, I'm fun. Yeah, I'm entertaining. You know, that's really it. That's pretty much the update. And if you are new here, I'd be really happy to meet you. So definitely like drop your name, where you're from in the comment sections below. Just say hey. I would love to talk, chat it up, you know, continue to build our community. When I left here, I think I was at like maybe 600 and I'm back and we're like 800 something. So, you know, continue to share, like, comment, show your friends. Our next video coming up is definitely gonna be something related to home DIY or decor. I'm not really sure exactly which one I'll do first, but please stay tuned for that. I will see you guys sometime in the near future and take care. Bye.